Okay, sorry, not focused. Good afternoon. I don't know what family math this is, but you just got home from school, and I'm in the middle of writing up a fun little blog post on a video that number file published today about this number, 10 to the 10 to the 10 to the 34. It's called Skewes Number, or Skewes. I'm not sure how to say it, actually, but it's a neat video, and after we finish this video, I'll let you watch it. But watching this video got me thinking about where did we see towers of three before?
It's in Graham's number.
In Graham's number, right? And so I was just curious, how would you approach this question that I thought of during the video? Which is larger? 5 threes tall, a tower, 5 threes tall, 3 to the 3 to the 3 to the 3 to the 3, or this number 10 to the 10 to the 10 to the 34? Because it's hard to have intuition about these sorts of numbers, but I'm curious how you would approach this problem.
Well, you could find out, well, I guess you're evaluating this tower of powers.
Okay.
So, 3 to the 3 is 27.
All right.
So, erase that. And 3 to the 27 is big.
Yeah.
So there's not really much you can do.
Did you memorize your powers of 3 up to 3 to the 27?
3
No.
to the 27.
Yeah. Okay. So you can evaluate that. So now you can get to 3 to the 3 to the 3 to the 27, whatever that is. Okay.
Maybe of better luck here.
All right.
So 10 to the 34 is a 1 with 34 zeros.
Okay. Don't.
So
Don't write 34 zeros out.
So it's 1 0 0 0 0. 34 zeros.
Uh-huh.
And then 10 to that
Yeah.
is going to be, so it's going to be a 10 with 10 to the 34 zeros.
Well, a 1 followed
Yeah,
by
a
10.
1 with 10.
10 to the 34 zeros. Yeah.
So that's here.
Mm-hmm.
And then 10 to that is going to be, it would be a 1 followed by 10 to the 34 to the 1 0 0 0 0 30. It's 10 to the 1 with 34 zeros.
Say it one more time. You
So-
didn't say it quite right.
It's 10
10 to the.
to the 1 followed by 10 to the 34 zeros.
Okay. But that's none of those numbers are really something we have any intuition about.
That's a huge number.
Indeed, that's a huge number. So, but is there anything beyond calculating them out that we can do to compare these two numbers and figure out which one's bigger and which one's smaller?
Well, could you figure out how many digits each one has?
That is one possible way to do it, but as we just saw with this number here, the number of digits starts getting ridiculously large.
Yeah.
So eventually that's going to create a problem.
What else could you do?
Yeah, what else could you do?
Maybe you could look at a simpler problem.
Okay, like what?
Well, maybe if you looked at like 3 to the 3 to the 3 and 10 to the 34.
Okay.
That's basically the top 3 rows of this one and the top 2 of that one.
Mm-hmm.
But that actually helped me. I don't think it would.
Okay. What's something that you could do to compare here?
What could you do? 3 to the 3 to the 3 to the 3. And you have 10 to the 10 to the 10 to the 34. So how do you compare these huge numbers?
Yeah,
That's the thing.
that's the thing. So what are some things that you notice about the two numbers that we have written down?
Well, wait, this one. Now I think that this one's bigger
Why?
because you've these stacks are the same length. They're 4 numbers each.
Okay.
And on this one, every single number on this one is bigger than the numbers on this one.
Huh. Interesting. So without, even though we can't compute it, really.
Except with like a calculator. Well, actually, calculator might show error.
Yes. I'm pretty sure a calculator would tell you both of these numbers are equal, and they're in fact equal to error. But you did find a nice way to compare them. So that's neat. That's neat. What if I gave you 6 powers of 3 tall? What do you think would happen there?
Well, then it would be harder because then you have, instead of 27, you have 3 to the 27.
Yeah. So that's going to be bigger than 34. 3 to the 27 is going to be bigger than 34. So the same argument's not going to work.
Yeah, I mean, these are smaller, but this one's far bigger.
Yeah. So what would you guess with 6 threes tall?
I'd guess it would be bigger.
What would be bigger?
6 threes.
6 threes. Okay. Cool. All right. Nice job, Hunter. Nice job.